Today I'm going to show you how to make a piece of origami paper, because there's a lot of origami videos on the YouTube, but you won't be able to make them unless you can make the origami paper. This is probably the size paper you have at home, and I'm going to show you how to turn it into a square paper. So this is a 45-degree angle on the corner. You take your paper and you fold it down. You can use any kind of paper, newspaper, any paper that has that 45-degree angle. And you fold it. Now it looks like this. The extra paper on the bottom, you just cut it off. You can save this if you want to and make something with it. But when you open this paper up, now you have a sheet of origami paper. Now, origami paper, you'll want something colorful on one side, so just color it any way you like and leave the other side white or whatever other color you want it to be.